when you wash this filter, put it out in the sun to dry or on heat, because it has to be virtually dry, otherwise the dust will stick in it later. I got some screws out. Let's see. I like putting them back in so I don't mix up where they go, because some of them could be longer. This can be washed. There's the brush bar with hair in it. Let's see if the bearings are good. See, it's still spinning nicely, so the hair didn't get behind in here at all. But I'll put this aside. This is something I'm not going to wash because there's bearings in there. Belt is still good. This little guard just slips in with these little notches there. See, there's little catches right there. You just yeah. This vacuum is more advanced than the other ones that I've done, because this piece doesn't come out, but on this machine it does. I got these clips on both sides out. This whole thing can get washed in water. Off it comes. There's the lens. The bulb is kind of dirty. We're going to split this apart. Bunch of screws here. 1, 2, a whole bunch right around here. Oh, there's the HEPA filter. When you're washing that, same thing. Make sure it's completely dry. There's a screw in there. Okay. There. See this screw? It uses a flathead or a Phillips. The house flies out here. Yeah, you see how it goes inside here? So I am gonna have to take this off to put it back on. Oh yeah. Okay, there's the motor. Well, I got a couple of these little safety right here. There's a little pin. If I show it to you here. Right there, you just push this in and then you can pull the connector out. But I took a picture of where all these wires are. Brown to here, black to there, and the two black and white to the far one. But once I disconnect this, I'm still gonna have to cut the white, which is okay. Take this trim off. Bunch of screws down in here and there. If you're ever wondering why your vacuum whistles when you got no suctions right here, this little piece here, it'll let you know that something's plugged. 1, 2. See, there's the other clip right here. There. That's what it looks like inside. I'm gonna disconnect the power cord. You got those two clips there, and then you got another one you just pull apart, and you push these in here, and this switch can come out. I got the switch out. Now it's ready to wash. Oh, not the motor, not this little switch, and the brush bar, but everything else can get washed in a tub of water. Well, that's one of many. The last thing to clean. Got an X-Acto knife, and I got a steel brush I'll brush it off with after I get rid of all this hair. A damp cloth. I'm just gonna give it a wiping.